Now we will see question number 2B. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या ठिकाणी आपण मार्च 2020 बोर्डाला आलेला एक पॅसेज घेऊया की त्यातल्या ॲक्टिव्हिटी आपल्याला कशा पद्धतीने करायच्या. वॉट एव्हर वी हॅव सीन इन द प्रिव्हियस पॅसेज, मागच्या पॅसेजमध्ये डॉक्टर हॉकिंगचं आपण जसं पाहिलं आहे, हाऊ टू डू द ॲक्टिव्हिटी A1, A2, A3, A4 अँड A5. सेम टाईप ऑफ ॲक्टिव्हिटीज we people are going to do here, that is B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. B1, B2 किंवा B1, B2 यामध्ये कुठल्या ॲक्टिव्हिटी येणार आहेत? ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स, ॲग्री डिसॲग्री, कंप्लिटिंग द वेब, कंप्लिटिंग द चार्ट, कंप्लिटिंग द सेंटेन्सेस, फाइंडिंग प्रूफ, फाइंडिंग एव्हिडन्सेस, रिअरेंजिंग ऑर सिक्वेन्सिंग द सेंटेन्सेस. अशा पद्धतीच्या ॲक्टिव्हिटी आपल्याला या ठिकाणी करायच्या आहे. A1, A2 मध्ये 2 ॲक्टिव्हिटी पाहिल्यात, इथे पण 2 ॲक्टिव्हिटी आल्यात, त्या यापैकीच आलेल्या असतील. A3 व्होकॅबलरीच्या संदर्भात आलेली होती, इथे B3 पण व्होकॅबलरीच्या संदर्भात असेल. त्या ठिकाणी A4 ग्रामरच्या संदर्भातली होती, इथे B4 पण ग्रामरच्या संदर्भात असेल. B5 पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्स लाईक A5. इज दॅट क्लिअर? सो डिरेक्टली नाव गो टू द seen passage which was there for board exam March 2020. Vidyarthi mitra, I will read out that passage, so you directly go to lesson number 3.2. A lesson in lesson number 3.2, a lesson in life from a beggar. Who has learned a lesson from life? And that is beggar's life, Meena. So Meena has learned a lesson for life, for her life. तिच्या आयुष्यासाठी तिला धडा शिकली ती. And from whom? From the beggar. So we will see that. You just open page number 95 and 96. So come to the page number 95. Last paragraph. What you people will do? Now here are the activities. As I told you, before going to read the passage, first of all read the activities, keep in mind in the activities and then find out the answers. पहिले आपण ॲक्टिव्हिटी या ठिकाणी वाचून घेऊया. रीड द पॅसेज अँड डू द ॲक्टिव्हिटीज, ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स. मी म्हटल्याप्रमाणे या ठिकाणी कुठली ॲक्टिव्हिटी आली? ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स. मीना क्लोज. क्वेश्चन नंबर, सो कम टू दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 2B. Read the following passage and do the activities. B1, true or false. As I told you, A1, A2 or B1, B2 activities are there. इथं कोणते आल्यात? True or false and sequencing the sentences. True or false आपण वाचूया. Meena chose beggar as her role model. मीनाने बेगरला रोल मॉडेल म्हणून निवडलं. There was traffic on road. There was traffic on road. The beggar and the girl taught Meena how to be happy with the life as it was. बेगरने शिकवलं आणि त्या यंग गर्लनी मीनाला how to treat life, how to be happy with the life. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the terrace. ते टेरेसवरती खेळत होते का ते आपण या ठिकाणी बघूया. सिक्वेन्सिंग द फॉलोइंग सेंटेन्सेस, सिक्वेन्स लावायचं आहे. इथं क्रमाने कसं येणार आहे आपण बघूया. मीना चेंज हर ॲटिट्यूड टुवर्ड्स लाईफ. ओके, मीना फेल्ट दॅट. फर्स्ट, मीना चेंज हर ॲटिट्यूड टुवर्ड्स लाईफ. सेकंड सेंटेन्स, मीना फेल्ट अशेम्ड ऑफ हरसेल्फ. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road. The beggar and the young girl were totally drenched and totally happy. B3, match the synonyms. It means same meaning. Paradise, zest, asset, drenched. B, enthusiasm, valuable things, wet and heaven. Before, they were totally drenched and happy. Use not only but also. And second, they were playing on the road. Rewrite in present continuous tense. B5, who is your role model and why? या पाचही ॲक्टिव्हिटी आपण या ठिकाणी वाचल्यात. आपण फोकस करणार आहोत या ठिकाणी B1, B2, B3 पण फाइंड आउट द पॅसेज म्हटलंय का? नाही म्हटलेलं. मग आपल्याला फोकस करायचं आहे फक्त B1 आणि B2 मध्ये. यस, फक्त या ठिकाणी कुठं असणार आहेत? आपल्या पॅसेजमध्ये असणार आहेत. आपला पॅसेज कुठं आहे? टेक्स्ट बुकमध्ये. अगेन वी विल सी ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स these 4 sentences, sequencing these 4 sentences. Sequencing means क्रमाने आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे. So come to this page number 95 and 96. I will read out. जे तुम्हाला महत्त्वाचं उत्तर वाटेल तिथे अंडरलाईन करा. However, I saw from my window surprised me. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road because there was no traffic. They were laughing, clapping, and screaming joyfully, as if they were in paradise. Hunger and rage didn't matter. They were totally dazed and totally happy. I envied their zest for life. That scene forced me to look at my own life. I realized I had so many comforts, none of which they had. But they had the most important of all assets, one which I lacked. They knew how to be happy with life as it was. I felt ashamed of myself. I even started to make a list of what I had and what I didn't have. I found I had more to be grateful for than most people could imagine. That day, I decided to change my attitude towards life using the beggar as a role model. So, last line, using the beggar as my role model. So, it is a very easy one. Now, we will see the activities. Meena chose beggar as her role model. Is it true or false? This is true because at the last it is given. So Meena chose beggar as a role model. True. There was traffic on the road. There was traffic on the road. Was there traffic on the road? No. So this is false. Are you going to write the sentences? No. You people are going to write only true or false because this is there only for half mark. So total 4 sentences, 4 marks. Sorry. Total 4 sentences, 2 marks. It means 1 for half mark. There was traffic on the road. False. The beggar and the girl taught Meena how to be happy with the life as it was. Very good. The beggar and the young girl, they taught Meena. So this is true. 4th one. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the terrace. Were they playing on the terrace? No, we have seen they were playing on the road. So this is also false. So true, false, true, false. Is that clear? Go to next one. That is B2. Sequence the following sentences. Meena changed her attitude towards life. हे आपण पाहिलं होतं. Then second sentence there is, what the second sentence is? Meena felt ashamed of herself. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road. The beggar and the young girl were totally drenched and totally happy. These 4 sentences are there. Which is the first one? Yes, the third one is the first one. The beggar and the young girl were playing on the road. बघा sequence लागतोय का? The beggar and the girl were totally drenched and totally happy. This is second. Then Meena felt ashamed of herself. हे third येईल का Meena changed her attitude towards life? Yes, this one is the third one. Meena felt ashamed of herself. That is the third one. And the fourth one is, this is the last sentence. Meena changed her attitude towards life. So in this way, right, sequencing the sentences 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this would be the sequencing the sentences. Is it clear? Is it easy? Yes, it is very easy. Go to the next one. Match the synonym. A, B. Paradise, zest, asset, drenched. As I told you, first of all, go to the simple one. Simple जे आहे ते सिंपल आपण सुरुवातीला या ठिकाणी करूया. पॅराडाईज, झेस्ट, असेट, ड्रेंच, एन्थुजियाझम, व्हॅल्युएबल थिंग्स, वेट अँड एव्हर. पॅराडाईज नंदनवन शब्द कुठेतरी गेला आहे, आपण ज्यावेळेस हा लेसन शिकलो होतो तेव्हाही पण बघितला आहे. किंवा पॅराडाईज आपला ओळखीचा शब्द आहे. सो पॅराडाईज मीन्स हेवन. पहिले या ठिकाणी आपल्याला मिळालं आहे पॅराडाईज, डॅश मारूया, इथं लिहूया आपण हेवन. झेस्ट नाही कळलं आपल्याला, झेस्टचा अर्थ नाही लक्षात येते. असेट, असेट सोपा शब्द आहे. असेट मीन्स व्हॉट? इट्स माय असेट. आय हॅव अ कार, आय हॅव अ वॉच, इट्स माय असेट. सो असेट मीन्स व्हॅल्युएबल थिंग्स. आपल्याला असेट पण या ठिकाणी कळलंय. सो व्हॅल्युएबल थिंग्स. आणि झेस्ट आपण वाचलंय, तर झेस्ट मीन्स विथ फुल एन्थुजियाझम. सो झेस्ट, एन्थुजियाझम आणि ड्रेन्स्ड, वेट. ड्रेन शब्दाचा नीट अर्थ आपल्याला कळला नव्हता, पण ते रोडवरती ते खेळत होते. सो दॅट्स वाय ड्रेन्स, दे वर टोटली ड्रेन्स अँड टोटली हॅपी. दे वर टोटली ड्रेन्स मी, दे वर टोटली वेट, पूर्ण भिजले होते. सो इन दिस वे इट्स अ व्हेरी सिम्पल ॲक्टिव्हिटी. हाऊ टू डू इट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गो टू द सिम्पल वन अँड देन गो टू द लिटिल बिट हार्ड वन. इज दॅट क्लिअर? गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. Now before, they were totally drenched and happy, not only but also. Very easy, not only but also. When the question is their grammatical item of not only but also, what to do? Find out two common things. Use not only before one and use but also before another one. So what will be the answer? They were not only totally drenched but also happy. Very simple. ते फक्त पूर्ण भिजलेच नव्हते, तर ते पूर्ण आनंदी होते. सो दे वेअर नॉट ओनली टोटली ड्रेन्स्ड बट ऑल्सो हॅपी. गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. दे वेअर प्लेइंग ऑन द रोड. बोर्डला काय आलं होतं या ठिकाणी? द बेगर अँड द यंग गर्ल वेअर प्लेइंग ऑन द रोड. रीराईट इन प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस टेन्स. द आन्सर इज गिवन, आन्सर ॲक्च्युली द सेंटेन्स इज गिवन इन द पास्ट कंटिन्युअस. व्हॉट विल द प्रेझेंट कंटिन्युअस? दे वेअरचं काय होईल? आर होईल. दे आर प्लेइंग ऑन द रोड. So this will be the present continuous tense. Now the last very simple one, its answer is not there in the passage, but you people are going to give your own opinion. You have your own thinking and you can write the answer. What will be the answer? We'll see. Who is your role model? Let's see. B5. Who is your role model and why? Two questions are there, two sub questions. Focus on only one. Who is your role model? You may write Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam or my father or the Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi. You may write Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. You have, or you may write Anna Hazare, the great social worker. You have that choice. So we will see one example. Suppose Anna Hazare. Anna Hazare is yours. काय होईल? My. Anna Hazare is my role model. You will get 1 mark. And for rest of the 1 mark, why? Anna Hazare is my role model because Anna Hazare is a great social worker. He was in the army. Even he didn't get time to get married. When he retired, he gave his complete life to the people. Every day he think and he work only for society. That's why Anna Hazare is my role model. Is that clear? So my dear children, in this way, how to deal with the scene passages? Very simple. Reading the activities and finding out the answer. So in this way, let any scene passage is there. It is very easy. कोणताही या ठिकाणी टेक्स्टबुक मधला सीन पॅसेज असू द्या, अशा पद्धतीने तो आपल्याला इझिली सॉल्व्ह करता येईल.